Hey there, fellow coaches. My name is Noelle, and today I'm going to share my organization coaching tip, Building Confidence. So I want you all to join me today on a journey to build or rebuild broken confidence. The purpose of this organization coaching tip is to help reframe negative thinking when facing complex challenges or adapting to difficult circumstances. The approximate time that it will take to complete this organization coaching tip can vary between 5 to 30 minutes, and this can be performed daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever suits your needs. The materials that you can use to complete this organization tip can be a quiet space to meditate, a gratitude journal or encouragement box, listening to an inspirational podcast, or reading an inspirational book. The outcome as a result to completing this organization tip will be minimizing stress, boosting confidence, and reducing negative thinking. The confidence I want to discuss today has nothing to do with how you feel when you put on your best outfit and shoes for an important meeting, or when you walk into a meeting with your head held high, yet internally feeling trapped by the imposter syndrome. Therefore, today is about silencing our internal doubt with confidence because we know what we are capable of, even when circumstances or external factors may say otherwise. As coaches, we cannot improve our clients' self-development while ignoring our own internal struggles. So now that we have a background on confidence and how it shapes our actions, let's explore some scenarios and tips for building and rebuilding confidence, starting with new coaches. New coaches may deal with doubt when trying to build clientele. A lack of phone calls and an empty calendar schedule can be damaging to our confidence. Therefore, I will recommend finding a quiet, safe space to meditate and digging through an encouragement box to pull out those inspirational quotes, photos, and academic recommendations to remind us of our accomplishments. It takes time to grow our practices, just like flowers need time to grow after being watered and bathed by the sun. Also, I recommend having an inspirational podcast episode bookmarked, one that makes you feel empowered to keep moving forward even when you want to give up. Even the most confident, skilled coaches may experience a dip in confidence from time to time. This may be due to a client or clients struggling with that aha moment after many coaching engagements. Therefore, once again, escaping to a quiet place to meditate could be beneficial. However, meditating is not for everyone, so it's important to have that gratitude journal to write in, as well as leaning on your trusted network to remind you of your strengths and how successful you have been in the past. You must remember that every client is unique, and their epiphany does not always fit into our coaching engagement window. And last but not least, our clients can most certainly benefit from a boost of confidence. Assigning this confidence building organization tip as homework will allow the client to think deeply and reflect when meditating, writing in their gratitude journal, looking through their encouragement box, or listening to their favorite inspirational podcast or reading their favorite inspirational book. Therefore, we must remember to always remind ourselves that humbled confidence and self-awareness will equip me to be resilient and adaptive as I overcome obstacles.
If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality. That's the only difference of a lion and an elephant. When a lion walks up and sees an elephant, he thinks lunch. An elephant thinks run. And it's all mentality. Because when a male lion walks up, he may be outnumbered by a pack of hyenas, but I'm king of my jungle because of my mentality.
What happens when you're a gazelle and you're not being pushed, you're not being prodded, you're not given a reward, nobody's encouraging you? What happens when you're a gazelle and the lion's not chasing you anymore? You stop running. But what happens when you're a lion? When you're a lion, it does not make a difference. You realize that if your family is going to eat, that if that pack of lions is to survive, then you gotta go hunt. A part of being a beast just ain't eating a gazelle. A part of being a beast is the hunt. It's the hunt that they're excited about. They like to see the gazelles run. Then boom, they take off. Because real lions like to hunt. They love the process just as much as they love the prize. And some of y'all just want to score. You don't like the process. You're not in love with the process. A true hunter's goal is not the prize. A true hunter's goal is to hunt. That's what they live for. They live to hunt. They don't just live to catch it. It's the whole process. When you are a true hunter, you don't go by time, you go by the gazelle. When you are a true hunter, you hunt until you get a gazelle, and you don't stop until you get one. And then you get another, and then you get another, and you get another. If you're gonna do what you say you're gonna do, be what you say you're gonna be, you're gonna have to lion me out. You a gazelle, you're gonna come up short. You a gazelle, you're gonna have an average experience. You a student, I need you in lion mode. You an entrepreneur, I need you in lion mode. You trying to lose weight, lion mode. You can't do nothing significant in gazelle mode. Nothing. Nothing impressive happens in gazelle mode. Nothing happens in run mode, give up mode, quit mode, scared mode, fearful mode. Nothing happens. Everything happens in lion mode like I'm coming to get you.
I hope you will remember this organization coaching tip when you or your client need a boost of confidence. So turn up the dial on your confidence and bring out your inner beast. Thank you.